Yeah, morning guys. Just thought I'd show you my new record. I've been looking for this record for a long time. um, I found it. I found it online. So excuse me, guys. I've just been woke up by the postman banging on the door. So I'm a little bit sleepy. That's right. Just hurry up. Dwarm discount, £150. Automatic help with your energy costs. We're pleased to tell you that you qualify for £150 off my winter bill. Bonus, I suppose. Can't complain. Anyway, guys, what's Phil got here? Look. Big, thick record box, guys. I'm rather excited, as you can probably see by the big smile on my face. This baby's getting played all weekend, mate. What's he bought, you're asking yourselves? Not another Madness record. Or is it? Or is it the specials? Or Bad Manners? Or the Body Snatchers? It's freezing in here. So I'm just going to put a top on, people. My old nipples are getting a bit chilly. Bear with me. Oh, it's cold today. NHS, we're here to help you stay well this winter. Do excuse me, guys. Anyway. Let's crack this baby open. I'll get the phone in the correct position. I do. This cost me about 50 quid, guys. 45 quid. What we've got here. What we've got here, guys, is just... get in it. See, when I originally was going to buy this, I thought it was a double LP. Turns out, it's 4 LPs. How about that? Oh. Wow. Oh, this about 9 o'clock last night, guys. It's only got to come from London. Ah. Well, guys, let me spin the camera around. Wow. In fact, I'll just leave the camera there. But the other day, guys, obviously I've been on a madness one. And I bought the other day, didn't I? I've been going on about Madness, a full house, which I thought was the double. Anyway, I got Madness, a full house, the single album. Oh guys, I've just bought Madness, the complete full house. Which is 4 LPs, guys, of just absolutely fucking classic Madness. Check these tunes out, guys. Wings of a Dove, Sun and a Right, they're all on there, Uncle Sam. Anyway, what we'll do, we'll unbox this, even though it's out of the box. We'll uncling film it. If I can ever fucking get this camera to sit on the bed. So you got the normal standard edition, and then you got this massive edition. Anyway, let's get here. Another pop-up centerfold edition. This looks the bollocks, man. It's actually got a pop-up, like a pop-up book. What I've got to do, guys, I've got to keep them stickers. In fact, I'm going to leave them stickers on the cling film saying that. It's coming off beautifully. What we're going to need to get though, palaver, eh? What I'm going to need to get is a plastic record cover, guys, even though these big, a double album has a job squeezing in one. I really thought it was just a double LP, but then I was looking on Juno Records, and brand new one for that, and I see it. Ooh. And it's the cheapest price I could see, which is about 46 quid, which isn't bad really for 4 LPs, which I believed it was only a double LP. But the only one in my area is this one, which is a single LP. Let me put this. It's alright. It's freezing, guys, in Kent. I'm just putting this heater on. Yeah, that's cost me 50 quid. It's cost me £37.49 for the record, and the postage was £4.99, but that's next day delivery. Pop-up records, whatever next. Right guys, what I'm going to do is peel my stickers off. Pop-up centrefold edition. 180g vinyl. There's another sticker here, look. Believe it or not, when people looking to buy this album, you get some people out there that are screwing over these stickers. And you can actually add a £5 or a £10 on the value of your record by having a sticker on it. Believe me. I've seen people arguing over these. And all you do, guys, is all I do. You could put that on the actual record cover, but I put it on my plastic. So it's going to be a nightmare getting in this. That's for sure. Might spend the day trying to get into this record. What a nightmare. Here we go. That might be enough. So you've got to be very careful opening these, guys, because you can deface your record, do you know what I mean? Just by opening the fucker. What I tend to do is fucking... Yeah, it's going here that I've got a little gap there that I've made. Oh, hey, a full house. Wow, check this out, guys. I didn't even know this was Madness Full House, guys. Boom, pop-up Madness, look. How cool's that? Pop-up Madness, that's a bollocks, mate. I'm loving that. Absolutely loving it. What you got in here, people? Got 1 LP, 2 LPs, which is what I thought it all was, but no. We've got 3 LPs, 4 LPs, guys, 4 LPs. And the tunes you got, look. That's a good side. Look forward. Tomorrow's just another day. Wings of a dove. The sun and the rain. Michael Caine. One better day. Anyway, guys, yeah, this is my new record. This is the one I've been gunning for. So I've now got the proper full deluxe one and that one. So I've got the pop-up version. And that's me done, guys. I'm done. I'm all spent this week. Pop-up madness. Have some of that. Look. Boom. Anyway, madness, a full house.